pulled into the state of Florida, man.
Lobster, shrimp, crab, catfish.
I got them shrimp right there, right? We got this big lobster right there. See both sides of it? What's going on, family? Here in Atlanta, Georgia, just waking up from night 3 on the road, about to get up, man, and go to Orlando, Florida. Let's go. Oh, we just pulled into the state of Florida, man. We in Orlando. For the video, what should I get, man? What should I get?
Everything.
Everything. Oh, wow. What is everything?
Lobster, shrimp, crab, catfish. Everything you need, we got it.
I want to get lobster and shrimp.
Let's do it.
All right, y'all. It just came out, right? Check this out, y'all. Look at this. Look at this, man. Did this look insane or what? I got them shrimp right there, right? We got this big lobster right there. See both sides of it? I got these shrimp. Got 3 shrimp. And got the fries, man. Look at that sauce on there. They got them spices and them herbs. Look at this, man. Is that insane or what? That's that thumbnail. Look, man, it smells delicious. It looks delicious. Let's go into it. First thing we're gonna try out are these shrimp, y'all. We gotta try the shrimp. We got them back there holding the camera too, y'all. But look, we gotta tell the truth. The shrimp are really big, man. They got them herbs on there. What is that on there? What's that green stuff? Parsley? Parsley, man. Let's check it out. Man, them seasons, damn. That's a little spicy too, I like that. Oh, where this going, y'all over there too? Yo, this is the truth, so far so good. The seasons, the spices, absolutely delicious. The shrimp got that plumpness to it. It's not overcooked. I don't like overcooked shrimp. It tastes like it's wild caught shrimp too, man. Absolutely delicious. You know I gotta get the meat out of that part right there. That is so good. I gotta slow down chewing this shrimp. I gotta get the flavor out. And them spices kicking too. I asked for hot sauce. I do not need any other additional sauces to it. The sauce that they have on here is sufficient. It is enough. What kind of sauce is that?
It's our famous sauce. It's like a homemade version of like a bang bang sauce.
Is it like a bang bang? Like homemade? Yeah, this their homemade sauce, man, is delicious. I don't need the hot sauce with this. This is good. Oh, the French fries are nice and crunchy and soft on the inside. Crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside. Next we're going for this. Oh, the shrimp are really good. The fries are really good. Oh yeah, I like these fries. We out here, man. It's about 70 something degrees. About 78, 79. There's these little bugs trying to get me, man. See them right there? Like the little gnats. I ain't gonna let them get my cornbread. I mean, my seafood. You can't have my cornbread. These fries are the bomb. They are very pleasant tasting. It has a pleasant aftertaste too. Look at them right there, look at that. Look at them French fries, y'all. Look at that. Get away, bug. Uh-oh, I'm about to knock the whole table down. Let's dig into this lobster yet. I gotta turn this up, y'all, so y'all can see this lobster. Look at that lobster, y'all. Look at that lobster, look at this. Look at this, let's switch it around like this. Hold up, they deep fried it, y'all. That's that deep fried lobster. See how it's crunching and crumbling up? I've never ate a lobster shell before, but this is that deep fried lobster. Deep fried lobster. Let's go for it. All right, I just want to pull this out of here. There was a fork. The fork just fell on the floor. Let's check this out. Hold up. Here it is right here. We're going to bite right into this. I'm done. I'm done, y'all. I asked him, was the lobster tender? I'm done. I love tender lobster. It's fried just right. That flavor. I'm using my Carolina forks, y'all. Y'all thought this was a game. The sauce that they use is a little spicy. I can taste a little, oh man, I'm just dropping stuff. I can taste a little kick in it, but it's just right for me. I do need my fork though now. Let's just rip this out of here, y'all. I know what I'm doing. If I'd have dropped that lobster on the ground, I'd have picked that up. I like that. Sister back there asked, was they hiring? I know that's right. Let's get the shell off of it, y'all. So it's just lobster here. Look at that lobster meat. Look at this. Look at that right there. Look at that big piece of lobster. That's just half of the lobster, FYI. It's only half. Dang. This is really good. I don't know why my camera's moving around like that. What is going on? Why is it sliding that way? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Yeah. Oh, yeah. I thought you were the same brother. Yeah, we doing a video. I'm from Newark, New Jersey. Nah, y'all good.
That's where my family's from.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Yep. I drove down. I saw this on Instagram. I got in my car and just drove for 15 hours.
Wow. That's right.
I'm tired. Y'all got a place to stay? Matt, M-A-T-T. Please, thank you. We still going too, y'all. We're talking in the background here. Nah, you weren't messing it up, man. That was good for the video. The sister earlier, she was like, yo, y'all hiring? I was like, I like that. Sister out here looking for a job, staying out of trouble. It's Matt DV, M-A-T-T, DV. The food is delicious. It's delicious. I've never had deep fried lobster before. It's really good. Yeah, I thought it was gonna be tough, but it's not tough at all. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, I be wanting to eat the shell. I just Yeah.
I'm not the only one. A lady came and said, man, I ate the shell.
Ate the shell, yeah.
Oh man, now I feel better now. I can actually tell people I do it too.
Yeah. Yeah, but thanks y'all. Thanks for subscribing too. Excellent. I think it's the batter, the sauces that they're using, and the shrimp. It's perfect. It's finger looking good. I'm saving that one. I'm saving this whole half till later. We're gonna save that whole half till later. And some fries. I'm gonna reheat those fries. This your man, Matt DV, signing off from Orlando, Florida. If nobody told you they love you today, you are hanging with the wrong people. But thanks for hanging with us. We love you, cats. Thanks for liking, subscribing, and I'll see you guys at the next one. We got the background. Give it up for the background. Give it up for the background. Peace. Yo, wow. This is for all of those that be like, ooh, where do you shower when you're on the road? Planet Fitness. Go back there, cut my socks off, shoes. Let's hit it.